Yes, our appeal in respect of Dr. Umar Ardo and another against INEC and 3 others in respect of the Adamawa State election. As you could hear, the justices said there is a difference about the integrity of the election and the numerical strength. They raised the issue, how many votes did we score? We tried to explain that under section 24 sub 6, it empowers a contestant, notwithstanding the number of votes, to come to court. But you see, it had already been clear that we had 6,000 votes, not too much. And as officers in the Temple of Justice, we read the mood of the court. We know the court is very busy. And we said, fine. We took the hint and we withdrew the appeal. Hence it was struck out.
The appeal came up today, the SDP appeal against the elected governor of Adamawa State. As you have seen and witnessed, the appellant in their own wisdom got the hint of the court and withdrew the appeal. So we did not object to the withdrawal of the appeal, neither did we ask for cost. We allowed them to withdraw it, and that is, we are good. I'm excited.
On what grounds actually did they withdraw the appeal?
Well, I think that answer is best, that question is best answered by the appellants. But they applied to withdraw, and we have nothing against that, and we didn't object.
So congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Say that the court has affirmed
the victory of Ahmadu Fintiri as the governor of Adamawa State.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
So much. This case, could you just throw more light on that? And maybe what are the reasons why they withdrew their appeal before the court?
Well, I will not talk about why they withdrew their appeal. I would rather say that the Supreme Court, they've just shown that the appeal is more or less an academic exercise. And at the end of the day, INEC should be commended for what it has done. Because for you to go to court and say that up to the apex court, you must have a genuine grievance that your rights have actually been affected and substantially affected. Just like you saw, they said, how many votes did you score and whatever things. The right may be there, but how will it change the equilibrium? What of the issue of constitutional spread and all those things? And I think we must commend them too for having the courage to withdraw it. Because for me, it's not every case that should come to the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court should be a policy court and the final court. But it's not every kind of grievance that should come to the Supreme Court.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.